Hey guys, what is up? My name is Sean Result and welcome to Test Boy. So today we have a question here. The question is, what are the different levels of self-driving cars or autonomous driving? So yes, what are the different levels of autonomous driving? Basically, there is two standards of this. The one standard goes, it says that there's 6 levels and that it goes from level 0 to level 5, and the other standard goes from level 1 to level 4. And today we will simply be looking at the first standard, which says that there's 6 levels and it goes from level 0 to level 5. Okay, so basically level 0 is where the car has no self-driving capabilities and there is no autonomous driving features at all. So the driver needs to be in the car and driving the car and do everything on his own at all times. That basically is level 0's autonomous driving, and most all cars is basically like that. Actually, all cars is like that. Then we get level 1 autonomous driving, which is similar to most modern cars we get today. And then it has stuff like cruise control, anti-lock brakes, lane keeping assist. And basically, level 1 autonomous driving can do most or basic steering and acceleration things for you, but you still need to be in the car and holding the steering wheel and still controlling it. Then we get level 2 autonomous driving. And level 2 autonomous driving is basically what we see in Tesla motors today, where the car can do some driving stuff for you. Basically, what the difference between level 1 and level 2 is that at level 1 you can't do cruise control or any of those features all at the same time. But at level 2, those features can all be used at the same time. But the user still needs to be in the car and holding the steering wheel. But he can't let go of the steering wheel, but he has to be available to take control of the car again within a second. So if something happens, the driver needs to be available to take control of the car immediately. Okay. Then we get a level 3 autonomous driving. And basically, level 3 autonomous driving is where the car can do most things. It can drive itself. It can sense everything around it, and it can make quick actions depending on what happens around the car. And we are now getting close to autonomous level 3 driving. And I think Tesla is kind of between level 3 and level 2, but not yet at 3. It's still at autonomous level driving 2. So basically, level 3 is you can keep yourself busy with other tasks while the car is busy driving itself, although you still need to be in the car and in the driver's seat, and you need to be available to take the steering wheel and drive on in case something happens within 10 seconds. So you need to be still near the steering wheel in order to take control of the car. Then we get level 4 autonomous driving, which is basically full autonomous driving, where the car can drive itself completely. The driver doesn't even have to be in the driver's seat. The driver can even take a nap in the back of the car. So basically, level 4 is complete autonomous driving, where the driver can drive it, where the car can drive itself completely, although the person still needs to be in the car. And the level 5 autonomous driving is actually the real autonomous driving, where the person or the driver doesn't even have to be in the car. The person can be at home. The car doesn't even have a steering wheel or pedals. Then the front seats can even look to the back. Yes. So level 5 is basically full autonomous driving, and level 4 is full autonomous driving, but with the driver still in the car. Yes, guys, that's the 6 levels of autonomous driving. And currently we are at level 2 and level 3, and we should see level 4 within the next 5 years, I believe so. I think around 2020, 2021, maybe 2022, we'll see actual production cars that comes out with level 4 autonomous driving, although it might still be disabled and some countries might not allow it. But I think we'll see full autonomous driving very soon. Yes, guys, that's basically it for this video. If you have any questions or if you enjoyed the video, then leave a like on this video, and you can leave questions down in the comment section and subscribe for more videos. Yes, guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.